Greetings YouTube, it's been a while, but this is Quentin and I'm back with an unboxing of the Galaxy S10 Plus. So right now I'm using a OnePlus One 6T and didn't really do an unboxing of that phone because I got it kind of late. But anyway, I know I missed a lot of reviews on other phones. I'm still getting phones. What I'll do is I'll do like a comparison of all the phones I have. I don't have that many. I still have my Pixel, iPhone Max, iPhone 7 Plus Max, or whatever you call it, iPhone 10s Max, excuse me, and the OnePlus 6T. I still have the my LG G7. None of those phones I've really been using a lot. I use the Pixel quite a bit until I got the OnePlus. Anyway, I'm rambling. So this is the S10 Plus, which probably will be my primary phone. I had the blue model. I kind of wish I would have got the white. But anyway, and I could have probably got it in more storage. But I only got the 128, and it's unlocked, of course. So, and 128 is probably enough, especially because you can add a lot of additional storage to the Galaxy phones now. Or you have been for a while, since the beginning. So this is it, the S10 Plus, and it looks really good. I've never actually seen any other than videos, but you can see it comes with your standard wall charger, Samsung fast charging, and you have your cable for transferring your data from one phone to the other. Then they have the AKG USB-C headphones, which is pretty neat. Probably won't be using those a whole lot, but I may use them just to try them out. I think, see what's in here. I think this is like this. Yeah, that's just the cord for the charging cable. Nice presentation, and I'm glad they include the earphones. Samsung's been doing that for a little while. But one thing I noticed right away about this phone is it feels really light, a lot lighter than the last year's S9 Plus and even my Note, which the Note is what I'm trading in to get this, to help me afford it. So that was pretty neat. I did that last year. I think I did my Pixel, and I only paid like $450 for the Note, and I'm paying about that much for this phone, assuming that they give me my full trade-in, which they should, because the phone's in good shape. But this is a different blue than what I had last year. It looks a little bit brighter, but I'm rambling again. Let me pull it off. Yeah, I like this blue. I didn't think I would like it. This is a neat blue. And I think it feels like it has a screen protector installed on it. I'm not sure if I should peel that off or not. Or if that's part of it, or should I leave that, or it's supposed to be peeled off. So I'm still looking over this phone, trying to decide if this screen protector is actually a screen protector they want you to stay on the phone, or is it something you peel off? I believe it's the type that they want to stay on, because usually if it's the type you peel off, they'd have a little tab for you to peel it off. And you know, it's like the OnePlus, it comes with a screen protector. So I'm thinking that's what Samsung is doing. I may have to read up on it. I've seen a few videos and I've seen some people rip it off, but I'm not sure it's meant to come off, because it has a nice opening for the camera right here. It's cut out. It's not covering the camera. So I'm assuming it has a screen protector. So I'll probably just leave this on. But the phone feels really nice. It's lighter. It's a lot lighter, and the blue it's a different blue than what I thought. So it's the S10 Plus. You probably know the specs of it. I used to be a big spec guy, but I'm not anymore. But I think it's the Snapdragon 845. I believe it's up to 845 now. It has I think it's got 6 gigs of memory now. It's got, the one I have is a 128, and you can go up to like, I think, a gigabyte of storage on the SD card. Excuse my me not knowing. I used to follow that stuff really heavy, but I don't really look at the specs that much anymore. But I'm sure it's the 845 Snapdragon processor, not the Exynos that they have for that they use in Korea, or the international version. The US we get the Snapdragon, and it has, I believe, 6 gigs of memory. It may be 8. No, you know what? I think it is 8. And then the one that's coming out later, it's the S10 Plus. It's an even better one. I think it has like 10. So I don't even remember the name of it, but anyway, it's the Snapdragon 845. This is the 128. I thought about getting at least the 256, but they didn't have it in blue for the unlocked version. So I would have had to get it in ceramic white or ceramic, which I kind of wish I would have did that. But anyway, so I guess what I can do is I'm gonna power it on, and I'll probably put my SIM card in. Let's power it on now. And what I'll do is I'll put my SIM card in from Project Fi. Project Fi now works on every you can bring unlocked phones to Project Fi. And actually, I've been using unlocked phones unofficially for a few years now on there. But it's pretty much the same deal. You don't get the carrier switching. It pretty much locks on to T-Mobile, I believe. I don't know if it uses US Cellular or not. I'm not sure, but so
let's get started. Let me help you get set up more easily by guiding you through the steps.
So that's pretty neat. It boots up really fast. I like that, and I can tell it's operating smoother. Anyway, let me pause and come back and set some more things up. Okay, I'm back. I attempted to use Samsung File Transfer to transfer my data from my OnePlus to this phone, but it didn't work for some reason. I turned on File Transfer and it just never would connect. So I just pressed on, and I'm doing it over the cloud, I guess Google's cloud. So usually when you do it that way, it doesn't get everything, but it gets most of it, all your apps. Right now I'm at the section where you do your fingerprints, and the fingerprints is probably all I'm going to do now. I'm also interested in that in-screen fingerprint scanner that works by ultrasound, I believe. So, but right now, I really like this phone. I can tell right off I really like it. The style of it, the little cutout doesn't bother me. I looked at some stuff on Google. I Googled some things, and it turns out the screen protector is an actual screen protector. But I don't know. I'm kind of iffy about it because you can really feel the edges of it, when you hold the phone. So I'll see if I'm gonna keep it on or not. I probably will. Okay, I'm back at my home screen. Everything's set up, but I still got a lot more to set up. And right now, it's been a little different because I usually don't set it up this far into my unboxings. I was just trying to do a little extra. So I'm probably gonna quit now and let everything download and then everything, and then I'll try to do a review later. I know I've been missing a lot of them, but I can tell I'm gonna really like this phone. Hey YouTube, I'm back with just a quick little overview of the Galaxy S10 Plus and the Samsung earbuds. I've been using this phone for about a day now since I got it delivered and set up. So far so good. I really like the phone. The battery life is awesome. The only issue I've had is the fingerprint scanner is kind of a little tricky to set up and work, and I'll go over that in my review. But other than that, it's a really awesome phone so far. And the earbuds, the Samsung earbuds, they're really good. The sound quality is real good on both ends, and they stay in your ear really easily, at least for me. Much better than the Apple AirPods and the Google earphones, whatever they're called. Anyway, just a quick update. Loving the phone. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the review, and thank you for watching. Have a nice day.